Hi everybody, Merry Christmas. Today is 25th December 2023. It's now 10 AM in the morning. We are going to do harvesting on some of the ridge gourds. Already we did it. Now we are going to do 3 or 4 of that ridge gourds harvesting. So Josh is here. He also helped us earlier, and today also he is going to do this one. So he started cutting one. Okay, this is one. You can see this one. And we are going to do many more, one by one. This is the second one we are going to do. Good. Let's see. So this is the second one. Third one. See. And the fourth one. Okay. So this ridge gourd harvesting for today is over. We are going to do the weight checking of these 4 ridge gourds and see how much it is. Okay, now we are trying to put one by one and see how much it is. 260 gram itself, it is 260 gram. It's 950 gram. If you can see, this is 950 gram. So average 250 grams. And thank you for watching this one. We are going to prepare more such video. You can contact the number whatever you are able to see in the screen, and you can put your comment, query. We'll try to resolve those as early as possible. Thank you.